Investors, cash buyers, or rehab loan only. Historic waterfront home in need of rehab. Wonderful opportunity to resurrect a monument of classic Norfolk architecture. Walk-up attic with multiple windows and water view. Dry basement with large windows, laundry and additional toilet. Solid craftsmanship with hardwood floors and original woodwork, arched windows, wood-burning fireplace, and a sunroom with glimmering water views. As is condition with belongings/furniture to convey, seller makes no repairs. Detached 2-car garage, large waterfront greenhouse/boating storage, deep water dock/pier. Radiator heat with newer gas Rinnai tankless system. First floor powder room for guests. Space to add a second full bathroom and/or incorporate